Okay, very good morning everyone. So today our lesson is about lesson 14, and then we're going to concentrate more into the substitution method. Okay, so our lesson is about more focus on integration, and integration we have certain rules to apply. So the first rule that I'm going to teach you is about substitution method. Okay, kita ada tiga rule we want to study dah. One is substitution method. Okay, substitution method. Number two, we have bipart integration. Okay, bipart. And number three is partial fraction. Okay, partial fraction. So these are the things that we're going to look to this week and next week. Okay, and one more part is we have also double integration. Okay, double integration. So maybe okay, so today, okay, so one day one part lah. Maybe today is number one, this week again number two, and next week I focus on partial fraction, and the last part will be the double integration. Okay, as I promised, so we go for the substitution method. Kita tengok substitution method. Okay, number one. Okay, substitution method is more to like you need to substitute something. Okay, look at number one. So number one, okay, so first question, start with the integration. Okay, cos 4x dx. Okay, so here in my examples, I'm going to give you the u upper value there. Okay, what is the variable for u? Okay, but in exam questions, some of the time they provide the u. Okay, sometimes they give you like open questions. Sometimes they don't give you, right? So I cannot say it will be there always. Okay, sometimes you have u, sometimes you don't have u. So you have to come out with your own analysis so that what will be the right u to substitute. Okay, so start with u equals to 4x. Okay, ini saya dah bagi lah dalam question. I will provide with the u, whatever u is given here already. Okay, so start with question number one. Okay, again I'm going to substitute u. So u ialah apa? U ialah 4x. Okay, so since u is 4x, so the first step I'm going to do is I'm going to substitute cos 4x with u. You see, look at here. So cos u. So because of what? Because 4x already substitute as a u. Okay, kita dah ganti u 4x ni jadi u. Okay, now the problem is, since you already substitute u with 4x, okay, kita dah ganti apa? Kita dah ganti u with 4x. So now the dx we need to change to du. Itu masalah dia. Meaning that we have to solve the problem by okay, convert all in terms of u. Maksudnya kalau kita ada x, kita dah tukar jadi u. Now all the terms, even the dx also we need to change to du, because all the terms must become du, because now our variable is u. Okay, the new variable that I'm going to solve is u. So I have to convert the dx become du. Okay, macam mana saya nak convert? Then very easily I can go for this part. Okay, that's why we have u substitution. Look at here. Okay, kalau kita perhatikan di sini, u is actually 4x. Okay, so now I'm going to differentiate du dx. Okay, du dx will give me what? Apa jawapan saya? Du dx. Okay, yeah, it's just 4. Because of what? Because when I differentiate respect to u, right? So but in terms of x so bila kita differentiate x, maksudnya kita akan jadi 4 lah. Okay, now I need to reform this. I need to transform this equation so that I need to get dx. Saya nak dapatkan dx. So macam mana dapat dx? Maksudnya yang ini pindah sini, dan 4 ini pindah bawah sini dah. Okay, see dx I bring there, bring the other side, and 4 I bring down here. So I get what? I'll get 1 over 4 equal 1 over 4 du. Right? Okay, kalau kita nampak, then I do the normal steps. So normal step dia akan jadi du equal 4dx, and dx ialah sama dengan, okay, ataupun dx ataupun bawah 4 di sini dia akan jadi 1 over 4 du dx. But what I want is dx, so I just change in terms of dx. So dx equals to 1 over 4 du. Okay, once I get this, now I need to substitute. Okay, you see, now once you substitute for x, you become u. Dx also you need to substitute. So dx you substitute as 1 over 4 du. Itu yang jadinya 1 over 4 du, because the du already substitute as dx already substitute as du. So du kita dapat 1 over 4 du. Okay, so what is my next answer? So next answer, 1 over 4 is constant. Constant ni kita boleh bawa depan. Okay, this one I think we have see this in the previous class. So 1 over 4, okay, integrate cos u du. Saya dah bawa depan. Okay, so what I get here? So ini akan dapat, okay, cos when you integrate become negative sign. Okay, so you become 1 over 4 negative 1 over 4 sin u plus c. Okay, so this is the answer. So ini yang jawapan kita dapat. Okay, of course you can use the trigonometry rule to answer this, but sometimes the question asks you to solve by using substitution method. Okay, so depends lah. If they don't say anything about the method, so you just can use the trigonometry rule. Tak ada masalah lah. But since the question is require you to answer by using substitution method, so since they asked to do by using substitution method, then you need to do what? You need to use the substitution method to solve the problem. So the same answer by using the substitution method. So that's how we solve the question number 1. Okay, ini cara untuk kita selesai soalan 1 lah. Okay, anyone, any question so far? Ada apa masalah nak tanya saya? Okay, tak ada lagi okay. Sekejap Okay, kita pergi soalan 2. Okay, kita pergi soalan 2. So number 2. Okay, integrate, okay, x times x square plus 2 power of 3 dx. Okay, x times x square plus 2 power of 3 dx. Okay, now we cannot expand this as usual. You see, this one is power of 3, right? Okay, so power of 3 is not that easy to expand, so we cannot expand as usual. So the only thing we can go is the substitution method. Okay, we have to apply the substitution method. Okay, now I'm going to start with u. Okay, u is equals to x square plus 2. Okay, kita dapat x square plus 2. Okay, so next step I'm going to do is I'm going to find what is du dx. Okay, kita cuba dapatkan du dx. Okay, I'm going to find what is my du dx. Okay, what is the answer? Anyone want to share your answer? Du dx equals to? Yeah, correct. It's become 2x. Okay, kita dapat 2x. Okay, now what is the answer if I want dx? Apa jawapan dia dx? Okay, so apa kita buat? Just pindah tempat lah. Okay, just tukar tempat. Ini pindah sini, ini pindah sini. So tukar tempat, kita akan dapat 1 over 2 x and du lah. So ini yang kita dapat. See, so I just okay, manipulate this so that Okay, I get 1 over 2 du. Okay, now once I get this, I just do substitution. Okay, back to the question. So integrate x times, okay, u power of 3 dah. Okay, because of what? U is just x square plus 2, right? So now you have power of 3. So here you got power of 3. So you need to substitute as u power of 3. And what is your du? Okay, so what is your dx? Dx is actually 1 over 2x du. Okay, kita substitute, kita dapat apa? Okay, kita dapat 1 over 2x du. Okay, now I need to cancel the x. Sebab kita tak boleh ada x. Okay, you cannot have any x terms. You cannot have any x term. You need to simplify all the x. Okay, either you change to u or you need to simplify. So here you can simplify actually. Ini boleh potong sebab ini bahagi kan. Kita just potong dah. Okay, kita just potong. So here when you cancel, you get what? You get equal. Okay, you get equal. Integrate. Okay, u power of 3. So you get 1 over 2, right? So 1 over 2 we bring front. Kita bawa depan. 1 over 2 integrate u power of 3 du. Kita just bawa pergi depan lah. 1 over 2 integration of u power of 3 du. Okay, next step will be what? Next step is just the integration for the u power of 3 lah. So you just integrate as usual. 1 over 2. Then that integration will be u power of 3 divided by u power of, okay, plus 1. What? Plus 1 you get u power of 4 divided by 4 plus c. Okay, so you will have u power of 4 divided by 4 plus c. Okay, so what is the last answer? Apa jawapan last? Last answer is equals to, apa jawapan last dia? Yeah, correct. 1 over 8 u power of 4 plus c. So inilah jawapan last kita. Okay, that will be the last answer. Okay, so that about question number 2. Okay, now we proceed for question 3. Kita cuba tengok. Kita cuba selesaikan 3. Okay, so we proceed for question number 3. Okay, so 3 is integrate, okay, x square times 3 plus x power of 3 power of 4 dx. Okay, that is the question. So integrate x power of 2 and then times by 3 plus x power of 3 and power of 4. Okay, so since u is given, okay, since u is given as 3 plus x power of 3, okay, then what we do, we need to substitute u as, okay, u as 3 plus x power of 3. Okay, now first thing is differentiate. Okay, kita differentiate dia. First thing is you must differentiate because you what? Because you need to get what is dx, what is in terms of dx. Okay, so you need to get du dx. Start with du dx will be equals to what? Okay, kita akan dapat 3, okay, x square. Okay, so we get 3x square. Okay, now again I need to get dx. So kalau saya mau dx pindah sini, 3x square you bring it over here. So you get what? Okay, dx equal 1 over 3x square du. So kita dapat 1 over 3 x square du. This is what we get. Okay, so once we get the term of dx, now we can start for the for the substitution. Okay, so we proceed for the substitution. So integrate x square. Okay, because x square you cannot substitute anymore, so you just follow the formula, because the u is just 3 plus x power of 3, so the x square is just following dot, and then 3x power of 3 is u power of 4, and then dot with, so dx replace with 1 over 3x power of 2 du. Okay, so what is a nice thing you can see here? So you see, you can see the x square, so both have x square, so just simply can cancel the x square. You see, you can cancel the x square because x square divide by x square, so once they are divide, so we can just cancel. Now you will have only the u, the integration in terms of u. Okay, so the next step will be equal. So bring the constant front, so you get 1 over 3 you can bring it front, 1 over 3 integrate u power of 4 du. You see, nicely you have. Okay, sorry for this. Actually I don't know what is the error. Okay, everything gone. Okay, so now tak apa. So actually you can proceed with integration x square u power of 4 and dot with 3x square du, cancel, we get equal 1 over 3 integrate u power of 4 du. Okay, so what is the answer? So the answer will be equal 1 over 3 as usual. Constant is just front, so no manipulation of fraction. Fraction is just there, and times by u power of 4 will be u power of 5 over 5 plus c. U power of 5 over 5 plus c. Okay, now I go for the last answer. The last answer will be equal 1 over 15 u power of 5 plus c. That's the last answer. Now we proceed for number 4. Kita pergi soalan 4. Number 4. So start with s square square root x power of 3 plus 2 dx. That's the question. Now try to do something for the question number 4. What you can try to do here? What is your first step? Differentiate the u, correct. Differentiate the u. Differentiate the u. So here you get what? U is equal. U is equal x power of 3 plus 2. Okay, given as x plus 3 power of 2, right? Okay, now differentiate the u and get in terms of dx. Give me the answer of dx. What is the answer dx? Okay, so what is your du dx? So your du dx become equal, okay, equals to 3x power of 2. Okay, this is what I will get. What do you get? So when you differentiate, you get 3x power of 2. Then we want in terms of du. So we just replace these two. So okay, by replace this place, so we get du will be equal 1 over 3x square and dx. Sorry, this is what we want is dx, right? Sorry. Okay, dx. So it's actually du. So dx equal 1 over 3x square du. Okay, so we're going to substitute. Okay, we're going to substitute. Okay, now what is the substitution? Okay, kita substitute. Kita dapat apa? Integrate. Okay, you get what? The question is x square. Okay, dot with, okay, square root, and you have u, and dot with, okay, dx is turned to be, yeah, what? Yeah, correct. Can. Yeah, I thought want to do the next step, but okay. Okay, but you all know means very good lah. So you can convert this to 1 over 2, correct? Actually, I thought want to give you the next step. Okay, okay. So okay, you all understand is good lah. So u 1 over 2 dot, okay, and this will be 1 over 3x square du. Okay, which is good lah. Very good. You know square root is half is good. Okay, square root x is also equals to x 1 over 2. You should know this. Okay, you should know this. This one is very important thing. Okay, we also have square root problem. Remember, we have square root problem. Okay, so next. Okay, next I think we can cancel, right? Okay, x square we cancel with x square. Okay, now we can proceed for the integration. Okay, again we have, okay, again we have what? We have 1 over 3, right? So 1 over 3 I just bring front, integrate u power of 1 over 2 du. Okay, what is the answer? It's a plus 1, right? So plus 1 you get what? You get 1 over 3. Okay, bracket. Okay, u 1 over 2 plus 1 you get 3 over 2 divided by 3 over 2 plus c. Okay, you can check your calculator. Please check your calculator. 1 over 3, 1 over 2 plus 1, you get 3 over 2. Okay, so we get 3 over 2. Now we need to simplify this. Okay, because of what? Because we have fraction here and somehow we have divide here. Okay, so we need to simplify. So we get what? 1 over 3. Okay, actually this one is actually divide, right? So divide means the times will become 2 over 3, right? Or you can press calculator. 1 over 3 divide by 3 over 2, right? Same thing, right? Same thing. You press calculator. 1 over 3 divide 3 over 2, because this one is divide, here divide, right? So divide 3 over 2. So 1 over 3 divided by 3 over 2 is equals to 2 over 9. Okay, is 2 over 9. So I'll write 2 over 9 here. So equal 2 over 9 x u power of 3 over 2 plus c. Oh yeah, I missed one thing. Actually, I need to substitute what is u actually. Okay, now okay, now it's not a big deal. Okay, the last answer I must replace. Okay, since we already good enough in the problem solving. Now we need to substitute what is u actually. I missed this actually. Okay, so u is actually what? U is actually x power of 3 plus 2, right? Okay, so the last answer I give the answer in terms of x, because what? Because u is just the method to solve, but the last answer I should give it in terms of x. So 2 over 9 bracket. Okay, 2 over 9 bracket. So here you get x power of 3 plus 2 and 3 over 2 plus c. So I should convert lah. Actually I missed this. Okay, we should change u to x again. Okay, we have, because u we just use as a tools to solve, but once you solve you must replace the u as in terms of x. Okay, so I think the first 3 questions we just see the manipulation lah. So right after this we have to complete the question. So the last answer should be in terms of x. Okay, next we proceed for number 5. Okay, proceed for number 5. Okay, number 5 is what? Number 5 will be integrate 4 over 2x minus 1 power of 4 dx. Okay, last week, okay, I gave you formula for this. Okay, that formula is actually originated from the u substitution. Actually, that formula, okay, the formula that I give you is actually from the u substitution. So u substitution is the mother of the formula. Okay, you know u substitution, you can solve most of the problem. Actually, most of the formula is come from u substitution. Okay, so now, okay, what is your u? U is actually, okay, 2x minus 1. Okay, based on the question lah. Based on the question, you have 2x minus 1. Okay, so first thing, okay, you need to get is your du dx. So differentiate. Okay, so you get what? You'll get differentiate, you get du dx will be equals to just 2, right? Because 2x become 2 minus 1 becomes 0. Okay, now I need to manipulate this. So I want dx, right? So dx will be, okay, just change this place. Ini tukar tempat ni dah. So kalau tukar tempat ni, you get equal 1 over 2 du. Okay, of course you can write also du over 2, boleh juga lah. Actually you can write du over 2, then you change back to 1 over 2 du also can. Okay, next. Okay, once we substitute, okay, once we change, now we substitute. Okay, kita masuk balik substitution, integrate, and then 4 over what? 4 over, it's supposed to be u power of 4 dx. Okay, so dx we need to substitute as times. Okay, I can put dot 1 over 2 du. Okay, so u I substitute. Okay, here this part I substitute u, yang ini saya substitute as du. Saya masuk ni sebagai du dah, masuk dia jadi du. Okay, what is our next step? Okay, next step, is it you can cancel? Okay, ni boleh potong? Of course, 4 can be divided by 2, right? So you can cancel this. So this one 1, this is 2, right? Okay, since u is as a denominator and we need to make it as a negative power, so kita kena bagi dia negative power. So 2 you do what? You can bring it front lah. Okay, bawa pergi depan. Integrate. Okay, and u you can make it as a negative power, so you get what? U power of negative 4 du. Okay, 2 will be out because 2 is a constant we can put it out, and negative 4 power of 4 we can put it as negative 4 because we want as a numerator. Bagi dia sebagai penyebut mesti kena negative power lah. Okay, then I think you can solve the problem already. Okay, so negative 4 plus 1 is negative 3. Okay, so 2 times, okay, 2 times, okay, u power of negative 3 divided by negative 3 plus c. Okay, because negative 4 plus 1 is negative 3, so here you get negative 3 over negative 3, and negative 3 you can take out, so 2 over negative 3, because negative I put out, so I put here negative 3, so I get 2 over 3, and u power of negative 3 plus c. Okay, remember negative 3 I must make as a positive power, right? So positive power means what? I must bring it back as a denominator. Okay, bring it as a denominator. So I get what? Negative 2 over 3 u power of 3 plus c lah, because ni dia akan pergi bawah balik lah. So bila pergi bawah, so you get u power of 3 lah. And what is your u? Okay, what is your u just now? U is actually, okay, your u is actually 2x minus 1. Okay, kita substitute balik dah. U is actually 2x minus 1, so we just replace the u become 2x minus 1. So that will be give you equal negative 2 over 3 times 2x minus 1 power of 3 plus c. So that is our answer. Okay, next we proceed for question 6. We go for question 6. Okay, the previous year 6 is the one of the favorite question lah. But now recently no lah. But 6 is one of the favorite question for exam in the previous years. But recently, the past 2 years, I don't see this question. Okay, they gave u substitution, they gave by part, and they go for partial. Okay, but this trigo, like type 6, now is less compared to the previous years. Okay, so go for number 6. Number 6, integrate. Okay, cos power of 3x dot sine x dx. Okay, cos power of 3x dot sine x dx. Okay, so what is our starting point? Yeah, go for u. Starting point, you go for u. So u will be, okay, u is actually cos x. Okay, and you try to go for du dx. Try to go for du dx. Okay, du dx will give you what? Differentiate cos. Anyone remember what is the answer? Differentiate cos, you get what? Yeah, just sine. Yeah, correct. You will get negative sine x. Correct. Okay, you will get negative sine x. Okay, once you get negative sine x, okay, then you go for dx. So dx will be 1 over negative sine x du. Okay, so you just replace this place, you just replace this. So dx you bring there, sine x you bring here, divide. So when divide means 1 over sine x du. Okay, now substitute. Now substitute. So equal. Okay, integrate. Okay, here power of 3, right? So you get what? You will get x u power of 3 dot, okay, u power of 3 dot sine x. Okay, sine x is just the question lah, just the question, because I just substitute u become cos. So u cos means cos power of 3 become u power of 3 dot sine x, and dot with dx. So dx is negative sine x du. Okay, now what? Okay, now you can cancel the sign. See, you can cancel the sign. Okay, what is next? Equal. Okay, so you get what? Since we have negative, right? Since we have negative, so negative, yeah, we just put it front and integrate u power of 3 du. Okay, u power of 3 du. Okay, so the next step will be equal negative u power of 4 over 4 plus c. Okay, so the next step, last step is I just transform. So I want in terms of x, right? So I get negative 1 over 4 bracket, and my u just now is what? My u is actually cos 4 power of 4 x plus c. Because u is actually cos x, right? Okay, u just now is cos x. Okay, so u power of 4 means kita akan dapat cos power of 4 x. Okay, so that is the last answer. Okay, next number 7. Okay, so next go for number 7, eh? Okay, kita sambung, eh? Okay, number 7. Okay, number 7, I'm going to proceed with this. Integrate exponent x divided by exponent x plus 2 dx, and then u is actually exponent x plus 2. Okay, so I just proceed with this, eh? So first thing is proceed with the u. So kita proceed with the u. Okay, proceed with u. U is actually exponent x plus 2, right? So when you differentiate, du dx will become what's the answer? You differentiate exponent x plus 2, you get yeah, you just get exponent x, correct. Okay, kita akan dapat just exponent x. Okay, so now we just manipulate the formula so that you get dx. Dx will be 1 over 2 or 1 over exponent x du. Okay, just replace this place, so ini bawa sini, ini bawa sini, so you get 1 over exponent x du, and do substitution lah, kita ganti lah. Okay, kita ganti. So integrate. Okay, you get exponent x divided by u times by 1 over exponent x du. Okay, so okay, definitely you can cancel the exponent x, right? So kita simply boleh cancel lah. Okay, kita simply boleh cancel, and what is the answer? It will be equal what? Integrate 1 over u du. Okay, apa jawapan dia? 1 over u. Ya, yeah, correct. Okay, ini kena dapat log. Okay, remember, kalau kita ada kuasa negatif 1, when you integrate negative 1 du, mesti kena jadi log u plus c, ataupun ln, ln, you suka ln kan? Okay, ambil ln. Okay, so kalau kita ada 1 over u du, maksudnya mesti kena jadi log u. Dua benda yang sama, so meaning that this part there will be, the answer will be log u plus c. Okay, ataupun ln u plus c, then you do substitute as exponent x plus 2 lah. Okay, just ganti yang ini jadi log exponent x plus 2 plus c. Okay, next number 8. Okay, next, number 8. Okay, proceed with number 8. Okay, question 8. Integrate 5x over x square minus 2 dx. Okay, and then u is given x square minus 2. Okay, so what's the answer? Answer is u differentiate, you get du dx will be equal to x. Okay, du dx will be equals to x. Just manipulate this. Ini pergi sini, ini pergi sini, and you get du will be equal dx will be equal 1 over 2x du. Okay, now substitute. Okay, just substitute. Okay, integrate 5x over u dot, okay, so dx is 1 over 2x, okay, du. Okay, sorry for this, yeah, everything gone. I don't know why everything gone. Okay, now I rewrite everything here. Okay, integrate 5x over u square, x square plus minus 2 dot, okay, 5x over u dot 1 over 2x du. Okay, now just simply cancel the x. Just cancel the x, because x is there, right? Okay, you cannot have any terms of x, remember, you cannot have any terms of x, so you need to cancel the x. Okay, kita dah cancel, then equal, so here you get fraction, so fraction we bring it out, so 5 over 2 integrate 1 over u du. Okay, what is 1 over u? 1 over u is log u, right? So kita akan dapat 5 over 2 log u plus c, and u we can replace with the answer, x square minus 2. Okay, so u is just substitute with x square minus 2 plus c. Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to take 5. Okay, if anyone miss anything to copy, kalau ada siapa-siapa is miss anything to copy, inform me, I can show you the question. Okay, if no question, then we take 5 lah. Okay, we start again 9 o'clock. Nombor 5, kejap, Okay, now 855 Now we start back to 9. Okay, nombor 5. Okay, so here your question number 5. Okay. Actually here it's supposed to be 4 over. It's supposed to be, wait, hold on, it's supposed to be 4 over. 4 over. Okay, 4 over u power of 4, 1 over 2.
Sekali dengan senarai kehadiran, ya. Please ya, jangan silap link. Dan ada satu link saya bagi untuk hantar tukar jawapan nanti kan, betul? Ya. Pastikan.
Okay, so proceed for number 9. Okay, so number 9, integrate. Okay, x square minus 1 over x plus 1 dx. Okay, and what is your u? U is equal, okay, u is equal x plus 1. Okay, now you're going to substitute, right? Okay, so I think the differentiation also easy, right? Okay, what is your substitution? You get what? So you get du dx is equal 1. Okay, so you get du dx equals to 1. Okay, so then I want dx, so dx is just du, right? Okay, ni you darab we dapat dx equals to du. Okay, now we go for the substitution. Integrate. Okay, x square minus 1 over u, and du you substitute as dx. So yeah, okay, ini boleh ganti dah, ini boleh turn as du. Okay, now what is the problem? Apa problem kita? Yeah, we still have x. Macam mana ni? We still have x.
Okay, sekarang you boleh start boleh hantar senarai kehadiran dan juga apa benda tu? Surat akuan.
Okay, what do we do? You still have x. So kalau kita ada x, we cannot just simply integrate. Then now we are getting the expansion lah. So you see now this part you don't simply can cancel the x. So now you need to manipulate. You see now you need to substitute. See, you have u is equal x plus 1, right? Okay, sekarang ni you kena dapatkan apa x. Apa dia x? X equals to what? Okay, x equals to, you get what? You will get, okay, x u minus, no, plus 1 you bring here, what? So you're supposed to get u minus 1. Okay, actually you can write this, x plus 1 equals to u, x equals to u minus 1. Easy to go, right? Okay, so this is what we need. Remember, we need to change everything to u. So here, okay, you don't cancel the x, so meaning that the x must change to u. So how you change? Then you must manipulate the u formula also. The given u formula you need to manipulate. Okay, now we need to substitute. Equal, integrate. So u minus 1 square minus 1 over u du. Okay, I need to substitute everything become u, or else I cannot solve the problem. Okay, next is what? Next, I think the u square you need to expand. Okay, we have no other choice, because we need to expand this. Okay, what do you get when you expand? Kalau kita expand, kita akan dapat u minus 1, u minus 1. Okay, when you expand, you get u minus 1, u minus 1, you get u square minus u become minus 2u, negative negative, positive 1. Okay, why this problem arise? Because of the x. We cannot cancel the x. So since we cannot cancel, we have to do all these steps because we need to solve the u in terms of u. Now we need to solve the problem in terms of u. Okay, sorry about this. Okay, so once I integrate, I get what? I get integrate. So integration will give you u square minus 2u plus 1 minus 1 over u du. Okay, the expansion give you just now is u square minus 2u plus 1, right? So once we substitute, I think the 1 cancel, right? Okay, the 1 is cancel. Okay, the 1 is cancel because of what? Plus minus cancel lah. Plus minus 1 become cancel. So now you left with u square minus 2u, and this one, okay, we see last week. Okay, if we have fraction like this, you just split the fraction. Okay, u square over u minus 2u over u du. Just split the fraction, easy to go. Okay, that's why the u, always we go for the denominator. Okay, if you notice all my question, all the denominator I substitute as u. Nanti kejap lagi saya bagi tahu you apa saya maksudkan tadi. Okay, what is this answer? So cancel, this cancel, ini pun cancel. So it become easy integration lah. So u become u square over 2 minus 2 become 2u plus c dah. Are you agree with this? Betul Ini betul u square over 2 minus 2u plus c. Okay, now we need to substitute back. What is our u? Okay, our u is actually x plus 1, right? So I need to substitute back. Okay, kita substitute balik 1 over 2 bracket x plus 1 square minus 2 times x plus 1 plus c. Okay, anyone, any questions so far? Ada apa-apa nak tanya saya? I just can repeat back if you want. Tak ada Okay, kalau tak ada, okay, we proceed for number 10.
Saya rasa tak semua panggil ni orang telefon saya suruh on camera kan, dah kesan dah. No on camera.
Okay, so we have completed the question number 9. Okay, proceed for number 10.
Bila saya panggil, tolong on camera.
Okay, go for number 10.
Kemana guru? Okay. Leon? Where's your camera, Leon?
Okay, go for integrate
Leon?
x over
Kamera mana?
square root x square minus 1 dx. Okay.
Saya nampak di mana? Bagus saya nampak.
Okay, x over
Habis Yusri.
square root x minus 1.
Where's your camera?
Okay, next go for u is actually x square minus 1. Okay, look at look at the U okay, tengok ni okay, before I go for the number 10 okay, whatever the fraction kalau kita tengok nombor 5, look at this number 5 usually I go for the denominator. U mesti kena pergi jadi denominator. Look at this, U ni mesti jadi denominator. Okay, usually the U is denominator you see, use this one. So this is one clue ini clue dia. Let's say the question didn't give you the clue. When you have a fraction, you go for the denominator. Ini clue dia. I hope you can follow this ini tengok, ini jadi U, ini jadi U, ini jadi U, ini jadi U. Okay, and then this also become U. Okay, because of what we choose, denominator become U. Itu standard. Okay, if you have a fraction question, usually the fraction will be the U, the denominator will be the U. Okay, next. Okay, next kita sambung balik soalan 10. Okay, what is my U? U is actually okay, x square minus 1. Oops, sorry for the trouble. And okay, what is our U is equal to x square minus 1. Okay, U equal x square minus 1. Okay, next. Okay, so next is I need to find the derivative, right? So du dx equal, okay, so you get 2x. Okay, but what I want is du, right? Okay, what I want is dx. Okay, so dx will be equal, okay, just manipulate this ini pergi sini, yang ini pergi sini. Okay, then you get 1 over 2x du. Okay, so give you equal, integrate x over, and then u power of, correct, u power of 1 over 2, correct, u power of 1 over 2, u power of 1 over 2 dot 1 over 2x du. Belum lagi. Okay, but this is a simple integration lah, because of what? Because simply can cancel the x. Ini tak ada masalah dah. Okay, you simply can cancel the x. Okay, right. So you have no issue on the cancelling x. Yang problem, yang number 9, we have problem just now. Because of what? We cannot simply cancel the x. Okay, next. Next, I'm going to integrate. So the integration will be equal, integrate. So I bring it as a negative power. So u, but here we have constant, right? So constant we put it front. Constant will be 1 over 2 integrate, and here we'll have u power of negative 1 over 2 du. Because negative power, because denominator, right? So bila denominator we have negative power, so become negative 1 over 2. Okay, negative 1 over 2 plus 1, negative 1 over 2 plus 1, you get positive 1 over 2. Okay, so we get equal 1 over 2 bracket 1 over 2 divide by 1 over 2 plus c. Okay, so 1 over 2 divide by 1 over 2, you get what? You cancel, it become 1, right? So ini potong lah. Actually this one cancel, right? Ini jadi cancel. Okay, ini jadi cancel lah. So because divide cancel lah. Okay, next. Okay, 1 over 2. So we put it like square root lah. Ini masuk square root. Okay, u is actually what? U is actually x square minus 1. So I just put square root x square minus 1 plus c. Okay, so finish. Continue number 11. Okay, finish. We continue with the number 11. Yes. Yeah, negative 1 over 2 plus 1 become 1 over 2 dah, positive dah. Dia jadi negative become positive. Negative 1 over 2 plus 1 you get 1 over 2. So ini dapat positif dah. Okay, so proceed for number 11 eh. Okay, so next I proceed for number 11. Okay, so integrate. Okay, 2x plus 3 divided by s square plus 3x plus 4 dx, and given u is equal, okay, u is equal s square plus 3x plus 4. Okay, so next is what? Next we differentiate. Okay, so du dx will be equal. Okay, correct. 2x plus 3. Very good. Okay. Correct. 1 over 2 x plus 3 du. Also another simple problem lah, because you can straight away can substitute this problem. Okay, so when we substitute, okay, equal, okay, integrate 2x plus 3 divided by u dot 1 over 2x plus 3 du. Okay, it's a very simple problem because you just can cancel this. Ini terus boleh potong, not the issue lah, because they are just the same factor divide. Okay, so what's the answer? Will be equal. So since what? Yeah, correct. Log u plus c, because 1 over u, right? 1 over u become log, and then you do substitution back to the original. U is actually x square plus 3x plus 4 plus c. Okay, you substitute back what is u, so u kena substitute balik, so x square plus 3x plus 4. Number 9, okay, hold on, Okay, number 12, integrate, okay, 2x minus 1 over, okay, 2x power of 2 minus 2x plus 3 power of 3 dx. Okay, it looks like very complicated, but actually you can do it easily. Okay, what you need is just the idea of doing the u substitution idea. Okay, it looks like very complicated, but actually very easy to go. Okay, first thing get your u is equal to x square minus 2x plus 3 and differentiate du dx. Okay, what's the answer? Du dx become equal. Okay, so when you differentiate, you get 4x, and here you get minus 2, right? Okay, 4x minus 2. Okay, next. Okay, next dx equal. Okay, ini tukar tempat, ini pergi sini. So next is 1 over 4x minus 2 du. Okay, now we're going to substitute. Okay, we're going to substitute. Substitution will give you what? Integrate. So 2x minus 1 over, then here u, right? U power of 3, because u is just 2x square minus 2 plus 3, but somehow you got power of 3, so it become u power of 3 dot, okay, and dx replace with 1 over 4x minus 2 du. Okay, now what is actually you can do? Yes, very good. Yes, very good. We need to factorize. Okay, ini yang kita kena nampak di sini. Because of what? Because 2x minus 1, 4x minus 2 are related. But you cannot simply cancel. Because of what? Because there are 2 times here. So you need to factor. Once you factor, you can cancel. So you will get equal integrate 2x minus 1 over u power of 3 dot 1 over 2 times 2x minus 1 du. See, you can get again 2x minus 1. Okay, the same thing but in terms of by times by 2, right? So we need to take out the 2, so that only we can cancel the 2x minus 1. So cancel this, can cancel. Remember, the x must cancel. You must cancel by substitution or by manipulation. We need to cancel the x, otherwise you cannot go for the solution. So here everything there, only thing is you need to factor out the 2. Okay, so once we factor, now we can see the answer already. So the answer will be equal, so 1 over 2 we just take out, integrate, and 1 over u power of 3 I make it as a negative 3, so it become u power of negative 3 du. Okay, I think now we can go for the last answer, right? So the last answer will be equal 1 over 2 bracket, so negative 3 become negative 2 divided by negative 2 plus c. So take out the fraction, so you get negative 1 over 4 u power of negative 2 plus c. Okay, first take out the fraction. Don't put the fraction together with u. So once you take out, then you can see what you can do with the u. So since negative maksudnya kena letak bawah kan. So you get what? You will get equal negative 1 over 4 times u is actually, okay, our u is actually correct 2x square minus 2x plus 3, and then power of 2 plus c dah. Okay, this is what we get. See, sometimes the questions are easy to go, but there are some manipulation you need to know also, right? Actually can go right. Only thing is some manipulations there, so you need to know how to manipulate, how to simplify, how to factor, all these things. Okay, next go for number 13. Kita sambung 13. Try 13. 13, okay, is something like number 9 just now. Kena buat macam jadi number 9. Okay, so number 13. Proceed number 13. Okay, integrate. Okay, you get what? You will get 2x plus 3 divided by x minus 5 dx, and then u is actually x minus 5. Okay, so get your du. Okay, so du dx equals to 1. So dx is just du lah. Okay, sebab satu kali dx just dx, right? So dx is just du lah. And then we do substitution. Okay, so we'll get, okay, integrate 2x plus 3 over u dot, and dx is just du, so there is no more manipulation here. Here you get just du. Okay, but the problem here is you don't have, you still have x inside the formula. Okay, inside the integration. So the x, okay, again we need to manipulate. Okay, x is actually 1. So x minus 5 equals to u. Correct, x equals to u tambah 5 lah, u plus 5. Then the u, the x value, okay, ambil yang ini, substitute here, masuk ke sini. Because now you need to change everything in terms of u. So the x, you substitute back so that you cancel the x. You substitute the u, so the x will be, you manipulate so that the x is no more there. Okay, then we'll give you what? Equal, integrate, and 2 times u plus 5 plus 3 divided by u du. Okay, next step is equal, expand 2u, oops, sorry for the trouble. So what we did here, okay, apa yang kita buat di sini ialah first you already substitute. Okay, x become u plus 5. Okay, substitute here already. Kita dah masuk sini. Expand, you get 2u plus 10 plus 3, you get 2u plus 13, and then divide by u. So since it's a single fraction, okay, over u is just a fraction, so it's a single, consider. Oh, sorry, you cannot see the screen, sorry. Hold on, okay, sorry for this. Okay, okay, next, okay, again, okay, repetition. Okay, I just do some repetition here. Okay, first, okay, what we did here is u is equal x plus 5. We substitute here. Okay, once we substitute, we expand, you get 2u plus 10, and then plus 3, you get 2u plus 13 divided by u. Since just u, we can simply split the fraction. Okay, then we can cancel also the u. Ni boleh cancel lah. You just cancel this u. So once you cancel, okay, you'll get, okay, integrate 2 plus 13 u negative 1 du. Tak boleh. 2 tak boleh pergi depan. Okay, why cannot? Because we only can bring it front if it's a times and divide. Macam tadi. Macam sini 2x. 2x ialah darab. So kita boleh bawa depan. Kalau 2 tambah x, kita tak boleh bawa depan. So it's only for only for times and divide. Let's say ni times boleh lah. Divide is something like 1 over 2x dx. So 1 over 2 we can bring it front. no problem. But it is not happening the same thing for the times. Plus minus kita tak boleh buat benda tu. Plus minus you must use normal integration, one by one. Answer your question. Yes, correct. Tak, dia akan jadi log lah. Dia akan jadi log. Macam mana lagi sekali? Sorry. 13 per U, okay. Negative 1. Tak apa, tak ada masalah. Negative 1, I just want to show you negative 1 must use log. Itu sebab saya tulis negative 1. Tapi kalau yang ni you terus pergi kepada 13 log U, also can. It's no problem. Not an issue. It's the same correct answer. Betul. Itu saya terima jawapan dia. Yes, of course. 13 1 over U can. Of course can. 1 over U right. Of course can. Boleh. Lepas tu 13 boleh bawa, and 1 over U du 13 log U. Boleh? Tak ada masalah? Any more question? Kalau tak ada masalah, then we go for the last answer lah. So the last answer will be 2U plus 13 log U plus C. So finally replace what is U lah. Apa dia punya U? So U ialah 2 times X minus 5 plus 13 and then log X minus 5 plus C. Next, number 14. Sambung 14. So integrate x square times x power of 3 minus 5 power of 6 dx. So answer, your U is actually x power of 3 minus 5. I think this one no problem for you lah. Should be no problem for you. So what is our du dx? Correct, 3x square, correct. Okay, so dx should be equal 1 over 3x square du. Okay, so here integrate s square dot u become x power of 3 minus 5, so means u power of 6 dot dx is 1 over 3x square du. Okay, this question is just a repetition lah, bagi nampak lah. And we can cancel the x square, ini boleh potong. Okay, and the last answer should be equal integrate 1 over 3 better I put front, 1 over 3 integrate u power of 6 du. Okay, so that will give you last answer equal 1 over 3 times, so 6 means 7 lah, correct, u power of, okay, u power of 7 divided by 7 plus c, correct. Okay, so 1 times 21, right? Okay, ini akan jadi 1 over 21, u power of 7 is actually u ialah tadi, okay, x power of 3 plus 5 plus c lah. Okay, last question for today. Last question for today, number 15. Yes. Oh, yeah. Ini pun saya salah lah. Actually supposed to be minus 5, right? Oh, thank you thank you for the correction. Betul. Ini minus 5 power of 7. Thank you for the correction. Thank you. Okay, x power of 3 minus 5 power of 7 plus c. Okay, next, last question, number 15. Cuba dulu. Try your own. Okay, 3x minus 4 divided by 2x plus 1, and we need to integrate this function. Okay, so I give you the solution. Okay, so u equal 2x plus 1. Okay, then I need to go for du dx. So du dx will be equal du dx will be equal just 2, right? So I want in terms of I want dx, right? So I want dx means dx will be equal, so you need to cut tempat. Okay, when you shift the place, then you get 1 over 2 du. Okay, next I do substitution. Okay, put everything to the formula, equal, integrate 3x minus 4 divided by u dot, okay, and 1 over 2 du. Okay, now the problem is what? Now the problem is you still have x. Tengok ni masih ada x. Okay, there's still there x, so we need to cancel this x, okay, by substitution lah. Okay, again we need to refer to your u again. Okay, apa kita punya u? U is actually 2x plus 1, so 2x plus 1 equals to u, so 2x will be u minus 1, x will be u minus 1 over 2. Okay, we need to manipulate so that the x is substituted by the replaced by the u. Okay, what is our next step? Okay, now I already have answer for x, ini saya dapat x dia. Okay, next I proceed for the substitution part. So equal, integrate, okay, so 3 times, okay, u minus 1 over 2 minus 4 over u dot 1 over 2 du. Okay, but it's actually easy question. Only thing is a lot of manipulation lah. Dia senang sebenarnya. Only thing there are so many fraction there. Okay, now, okay, first 1 over 2 is simply put out, easy to go. Okay, better you put this 1 over 2 out of the dot 1 over 2 du. Okay, ini letak luar, senang nak pergi. Integrate, and then we expand this, you expand, you get 3u minus 3 divided by 2 minus 4 over u du. Okay, what is our next step? Okay, split the fraction. Okay, tapi sebelum tu, because of what? Because here still fraction, what? Ini ada fraction dekat sini. So what do you do? Yeah, correct. Okay, very good. Okay, dalam kurungan 1 over u. Itu sangat bagus. 1 over 2 integrate 1 over u times 3u minus 3 divided by 2 minus 4 du. Tengok, ni senang nak pergi sekarang. Okay, 1 over u itu you letak sebagai 1 over u. So it is easy to expand. Okay, kalau kita expand, dia jadi apa? Dia akan jadi 1 over 2 integrate 3u minus 3 divided by 2u minus 4 over u du. Okay, what is our next step? Next step, I think better we split the fraction lah. Betul? Okay, kita split the fraction because for u of course you can integrate, but this part you cannot integrate, so better we split the fraction. Okay, so 1 over 2 integrate 3u divided by 2u minus 3 over 2u minus 4 over u du. Okay, now you cancel the u. Siapa yang ada u semua cancel. So only this side, so the other cannot lah. Only itu sahaja. Okay, now okay, split the fraction. Before you go for the integration, split the fraction. 1 over 2 integrate 3 over 2 minus ini, that's why I used to go with negative 1. Sebab apa? Sebab ini you selalu buat salah. This part, especially this part, you mesti akan buat salah. Okay, salah dia apa tau? You akan bawa 2 u sekali. Okay, never do that. So 3 over 2 u power of negative 1 minus 4 u negative 1 du. That's why I prefer to write negative 1. Because of this, okay, because of this constant lah, problem ni I need to avoid. So that's why I prefer to write negative 1. Okay, now I go for the last answer. I think we can go for the last answer. So the last answer will be 1 over 2 bracket. Okay, 3 over 2 become 3 over 2 u minus. Okay, oh but here ini dua benda sama kan? Actually these two are same lah. Negative 3 over 2 minus 4, you get what? You boleh buat dia jadi 11 over 2 log u dah. Ataupun saya tulis, ataupun saya gabung dia dulu. Actually kita boleh gabung dia dulu. 3 over 2 minus, okay, negative 3 over 2 minus 4, you get negative 11 over 2 u power of negative 1, because they are same one. Constant dia sama, coefficient dia sama, because negative 1, right? So we can put them together. Okay, we can plus minus them. So now I give you the last answer. So the last answer is 1 over 2 bracket 3 over 2 u minus, okay, 11 over 2 log u plus c. And the u, okay, you replace with 2x plus 1. Okay, the last answer will be 1 over 2 bracket 3 over 2 times 2x plus 1 minus 11 over 2 log 2x plus 1 plus c. Okay, we have come to the conclusion.